So now that we have made our first API call to get our catalogs products, what if we wanted to look for a specific one? Well, you could come to your BigCommerce dashboard, find your particular product, go through all the information, where we could change our basic information, our categories and descriptions, images, our variations, identifiers, pricings, and all the customizations that you could add to your product. Or you can make a general API call by implementing just a simple line to pull all the same information that we could change and then send through a put command. Just be aware when you're calling these products that you are calling it by its current product option name here, and not say from the URL itself. The reason for this, if you do call based off the URL itself, you will only get the metadata of the product itself, not the full data of the product. Next, we're going to talk about creating a variant for one of our products through an API call and also through the dashboard itself. So, we'll start with the API call itself. Now that we have our product for the cheese grater, we're going to take its ID. This is what will identify it through future use without having to use larger strings for your get and posts and put commands. You make the call, get the same information, and in order to make a variant, we're going to have to go into the body. For this, we're just going to get our toes dipping in first into a little bit of coding. And don't worry, it's pretty easy. You really only need to know a few things. When we're going to make this variant, we're going to call our SKU. And you can find a lot of this information down here. But since this is a variant, we're going to need to name it something slightly different. For this, we'll say our oak cheese grater, but we want it to be a maple color and have it have a bronze finish. Our price should be the same, but that is up to you and what your client or you yourself want to do. We will set our inventory level. To say 5 options. And here's where we're going to create our option values. Okay, now that we're in our body, we're going to do a little bit of simple coding to create our variant options. Should be pretty easy. We're just going to name our option coding. Product coding. Display name for what we see on the site will be coding. For our type, we will see rectangles. And for our option values, set is default true, and our label will be maple. Well, oak for is default. And then our second label that we'll have for our variant maple. Once that is all set up, we will select post, we hit a error. Sometimes this happens. So sometimes we forget to do the tiniest little steps. So before we can even create a variant option, we need to make sure that it's going to the right location. So let's try it now. There. Now we have set our variant options and the variant for 2 coding options for our product. We come down to our product options and see the option name coding, type rectangulus, values oak and maple have been set up. Now you can also do this in the storefront dashboard without the use of an API. The choice is truly yours and whatever you feel more comfortable with. For single individual product changes, the storefront API or the storefront dashboard perhaps would be more to your liking. For bulk changes, the API can make it a lot less time consuming and tedious. So again, the choice is whatever you feel the most comfortable with.